landscape, Avion Woods enjoys a prime central location, ensuring swift and easy access to the heart of downtown Naples, Florida. Despite its attraction, even the most charming condominium communities require structural maintenance. During the initial process of replacing roofs, Seacoast Building Design found a considerable amount of rotting fascia wood, and that combined with the soffit already found in bad condition. After presenting the evidence to the association, they unanimously approved replacing all the metal soffit and fascia, which included replacing decaying framework. Seacoast made this process seamless by scheduling the soffit and fascia crew during the roofing construction, resulting in no project delays. Seacoast started the project 30 days after the agreement was signed and finished installing the roofing, soffit, and fascia within 40 days. Rosier stone-coated steel Clio tile was the roof replacement easily decided upon, which emulates S-tile with exceptional maintenance-free performance. Rosier Clio tile pairs the aesthetic beauty of the rugged Roman barrel tile with the low maintenance of high-strength steel. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums requires roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.